Hi YouTube! Welcome to Ostech Solution. My name is Larry. In today's video, pag-usapan natin yung tungkol sa printer. Particularly on the printer, the one that I have right now, which is the Brother HL2132. A little bit of backstory about why I would like to talk about the printer, particularly the one that I have right now, is because this was given to me by a friend of mine who upgraded to the latest one, and they decided to give it away, and they asked me if I could have it. At that time when he offered it to me, I actually have a problem with my own printer, which is a colored laser printer. It's the same manufacturer, from Brother, but it's starting to create some creases when every time that I'm printing something. So I did some research and found out that I have to replace some part of the printer. I forgot what it's called, but it's almost the same as the cost of a brand new printer. And of course, I wouldn't want to replace just that particular part to fix the issue. I'd rather buy a new printer instead. So when a friend of mine offered his one, I decided to take it from him and use it for my own printing requirements. However, this printer is a mono laser printer, and he mentioned to me that the toner is on its way out, so I need to buy my own toner for that. And that's the reason why I'm creating this video, because I would like to know if a third party toner is okay to use on our, like on our printer. I believe this particular third party manufacturer of toner can, they support different manufacturer, different model. So they have a particular one for my model, and it's only cost me like, I think it's $13 or $14. And if I'm going to buy the original equipment manufacturer, or the original toner for my brand and for my model, it was gonna cost me about $80. That's a huge difference. So that's why I decided to order one from Amazon, and we're gonna open it from now. What I would like to do though is I'm going to do a document printout coming from the existing toner that comes with it when I receive it from my friend. Like I said, it's on the way out already, so maybe that's the reason why the prints is a little bit messy. So we're going to compare with that one and to the one that I bought, and see if it's worth it getting just a third party toner for for different type of printer. So let's do that. Let's open this. I'm just gonna rip it apart. So this one came from Amazon. Here you go, Benji. And like it says, toner cartridge. It is TN2030 model, which is basically going to work on 3 different Brother brand, which is include the HL2132. So let's open it up and let's install it. But before we install it, we're going to print the document from the existing one, and we're going to compare it with this one once we install it. So let's, for the time being, let's unbox it. Benji, here we go. Ooh, oh no. It's nicely padded. It's well padded, I mean. So nothing to worry about on that part. Let's open it. Whoop. Shouldn't be a problem. And there you go. So what I was thinking is, all the recycled toner cartridges that you return to, say, Office Works, for example. And I thought they're reusing the original one and then putting on their own toner, but it looked like they manufacture their own casing or the cartridge for this. So it's like they have their own manufacturing process. All right, let's do that. I'm gonna pause the video for now. I'm gonna put it there. I'm going to print a new document, and then we're going to install this, and then we're gonna print exactly the same document and compare them side by side. So I found my documents already for what I would like to print. So it's gonna be a single page document that I would like to print, and let's see how we go. So this is the original toner that comes with the printer when I receive it. I'm gonna print it now. As you can see, the printer it's old. I just don't wanna, I just don't wanna be put in a landfill and get to the get to waste. So let's see how we go. As you can see, the document, the original. So the original document, the actual PDF file doesn't have this kind of lines in there. I wonder if it's going to be the same for the replacement one. As you can see, all the texts are still okay, still readable, but I just want to see if a $13 toner is capable to do exactly the same thing as what we have as the original ones. So now let's install the new one. And okay, so that's the original one, and we're gonna replace that. So you just press this button in order to get the old one, put it aside, and then we remove the cover from the old one, and we're just gonna put it in. There's nothing else to remove, just the orange tab. See how we go. There you go. That's the new one in. Let's put it in, and let's close. Let's see if the printer were going to detect the third-party one, and to check if there's no anomaly. Apparently sometimes some of the printers were going to complain that you are not using the original toner or cartridge, and it will going to complain that there is no toner in the printer. So let's see if it's gonna be the same on this one. So we're gonna reprint again. As you can see, the printer did not complain that we are actually putting in a third-party cartridge toner, or toner cartridge. So we're gonna find out. Side-by-side comparison. Okay. And look at that. Putting it side by side, this is the original one. There you go. Let's look at the logo or the banner. As you can see, it's more clearer. There's no lines like that. This is more lighter. So maybe that's the reason why it's like that is because, like I said, it's on its way out, and there's not enough black toner in there already, the powder. Let's see on the text itself. As you can see, it's more pronounced, it's more richer, more black. So yeah, guys, that's it. So you'll be the judge and tell me what you think. This is the one that we printed second time around with the third-party cartridge toner that we bought for $14 from Amazon. So yeah, $13, $14 one compared to the original cartridge toners that comes with the printer. Like I said, like a disclaimer, it's on apparently it's on its way out. It's running out of toner, and it could be, maybe it's not the same when it was new, but what I'm trying to say is, if this can do this kind of print, a good print, I don't see the reason why I'm gonna get the $80 one. So I hope you get something from that video, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.